Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Santa's Workshop. I am so sorry. These past 2 weeks have been, it's been rough. I got sick right before Thanksgiving, that chest head congestion. I didn't even make it to Thanksgiving dinner. That tells you how bad it was. And believe me, I tried. But I got over that. Still got a cough. But after Thanksgiving, that's when Santa hits hard. I was busy Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Then I've only got 1 day off in between shows. Weekends, forget it. It ain't happening. So I just wanted to do a quick video, let y'all know I'm doing okay. Of course, haven't got to work on anything. But there's going to be I wanted to do some changes. At the first of the year, I don't know if it's going to be right on the first or soon thereafter, I'm going to be changing the channel name. A lot of people have said and told me that Santa's Workshop doesn't pick up the algorithm because people see it and think it's something for kids. And I can see that. So we're changing it to Santa's Hot Rod Garage. So those who are subscribed, you don't have to do nothing. It'll automatically change. But hopefully the algorithm will pick it up and things will start growing a little better. So there's that. Second thing we're going to do is, you can see all the stuff piled on the back wall of the shop and around the corners. I'm going to get me a 40-foot cargo container. And I'll take you out and show you. I'm just going to turn off the lights in here because I don't think we're going to come back in. But I have got a plan to do a 40-foot cargo container. And see, my shop is a 60 by 40. So the end is 40 foot. So it would go from corner to corner here at the end of the shop. But what I'm planning on doing is setting it out here where my pickup is. We're going to set the corner of it all the way out to here. And that is going to give me ample space in between here to do a lean-to off of the shop onto the cargo container. And later on, if I wanted to, I could pour me a concrete floor and add on an extra stall. But what I want to do is I want to make me a permanent paint booth. And this would be the ideal thing to do. Because, I mean, you've got plenty of walk space. I mean, yes, the cargo container is going to be wider than that pickup. It'll probably come over to where the toolbox is. But you'll still have plenty of room. Even if I don't do a paint booth, we can have a space that's covered to park cars outside and they not be in the weather. So Brian and I were going to be getting everything moved, getting this area ready, filling it with rock, so we can get that cargo container moved in here within the next, probably just right after Christmas. And then we can get all the stuff inside the shop out and make the shop a whole lot more usable. But this is the El Camino parts car. I don't know if I've ever put this on camera or not, but still a lot of good pieces on this thing. It's got nice trim on it. If anybody needs trim, I'm not going to be using any on mine, so that's available. But I've come out here many times to get bolts or something that I don't have, just to keep it going. Having this has been very, very helpful. And speaking of parts cars, we know in my last video, I got the Trans Am parts car. And of course, it's still loaded up. I haven't had a chance to do anything. It's about to drive me nuts. But I got it covered up to keep it from getting swampy in there. But, you know, this spot right here, this whole thing is missing on my car because of the rust. And it is solid on this one. Quarter panels are not good, but the back panel here is. And the back panel is another thing that I needed. I might still have to buy a floor pan. Don't know how these are, but I have a feeling that, you know, it's been sitting outside in the weather for quite some time. So, but we're going to get this unloaded and get this motor pulled and see if it's going to be buildable or not. Gosh, I hope it is. I mean, from the way it looks factory. It looks like it's never been torn into. And if it is factory, even if it is froze up, we can chisel out the pistons, have it bored, whatever it needs. With it being a 400 Pontiac, I'm not holding to the 30 over like the 403 is. But it is going to go in with an automatic because my legs are too long to clutch these sports cars anymore. But it is going. But now for some other news. Today, Randy contacted us. They have put out the route for Power Tour 2026. And it could not be more perfect. It starts in Joliet, Illinois, down to Tulsa, Oklahoma. Route 66. How awesome is that? Route 66 by Verse Power Tour. I am so excited. And I think it's going to put a fire under my tail end to get that El Camino painted and done. It might not be completely finished, but it's going to be close. But I've got 5 months after Christmas. Yes, you know, some of those months are going to be cold, but I've got heaters. And I'm excited. I can't wait. I am so excited. We've already got our rooms booked. So be looking forward to that. Well, I just wanted to let you know how things are going. Of course, Santa season is well underway. I've got to get up at 4 in the morning to get ready for tomorrow's, and I won't be done until 8 o'clock that night. Then Friday I'm off, and Saturday is going to be an even longer day. But on some sad notes, we lost a cousin right before we went to Barrett-Jackson in Arizona. And sadly, my mom lost her sister a week or so ago, or about a week and a half ago. And on the night we had her funeral, we lost another cousin. I am ready for a break from funerals. And another sad note, the night we lost my aunt, a fellow YouTuber and friend passed away. Some of y'all know him, Brandon Wyckoff, Wrenching with Grandpa. His body just gave out on him and he couldn't go no more. So everybody say a prayer for him and his family, and say a prayer for my family, and hopefully we won't have no more of this. This is not the season to be having funerals, but it happens more than you think. So please check on those you love. Give those you're close to a hug. And let's all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll talk to you before then, but y'all take care. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. This is Santa's Workshop. We'll see you later.